What's up everybody, it's Oyi here. Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be about iOS 14. So Apple released iOS 14 this week at WWDC. Normally there's a keynote and they do things showing, but like this period they did like a 2-hour movie introducing the new iOS 14 with all the new features and things. But let's get into the video. Today's video was sponsored by nobody. That's really sad. That's really sad. But to be honest, if to be very serious now. Okay, so if you're using an iPhone, can I get what? If you didn't say that and you're using an iPhone, your iOS 14 will not install. It will not install. Okay, I'm just joking. But if you're using an Android and you're a fan of iOS, or you want to switch to iOS, can also get what? If you like, don't do it to that Android, you will not change it. Okay, you change the Android, but you still change to Android, you don't move to back into the serious video. Okay, so the first feature that Apple changed is like the home screen. The home screen just changed a lot. Apple added the new app library, widgets and things like that. So when you're using your phone, okay, widgets are not actually new because it has been on Android before, but like on Apple, normally you just see your list of your grid of apps. But right now they have added variety to the home screen, bringing widgets and an app library. If you swipe down, you can see your app library. Wow, that's so crazy. But being serious, Apple added the widgets. And speaking of widgets, they added something called Smart Stack, which is a carousel of widgets you use on a daily basis, like your calendar, your photos. So it will be on your home screen and you just need to swipe, and it will be trying to predict the widgets that you might want to use at that point in time. And also you can also hide your home screens. So you know the way on Android you have different home screens, so you can also hide your home screen. So like in this case, you just swipe and you turn off the home screen when you enter jiggly mode. Okay, yeah, this is actually something that Apple actually named this mode jiggly mode, like jiggly mode. Well, Apple, you enter jiggly mode, that's like the editing. So you turn off your home screen. So in case you're in a place like school and you just need your school apps, you don't need like your social media apps distracting, just turn off that home screen. So you just need those kind of apps to help you. Pause guys, quick pause. If you're enjoying this video, please smash the like button, and if you want to get more great content, click on the subscribe button. Let's continue so you get what I'm saying. And they also put in contact UI. That's the next feature. So you know this kind of thing that I'm using my phone right now and I'm receiving a FaceTime call or a normal call, instead of the whole screen to show that okay, somebody is calling me, it's just the top half. The notification, the way your notifications are, it just shows that, and I can choose to answer or decline. So Dry is something that has been on Android in the past, but is here now on iOS 14. And also for FaceTime, you can also put your phone into picture-in-picture mode. So that's also another feature. So I can be on FaceTime now, FaceTiming my friend, and I also need to send a message to somebody, like an Instagram message or a WhatsApp text, something like that. So I'm still FaceTiming him. It's on picture-in-picture mode, and I just send it. That doesn't only happen for FaceTime. It also happens if you're watching videos, like you're watching videos on your phone and you need to do other things. So that's picture-in-picture mode. That is the new feature. Then also Siri has a new slicker animation. Normally when you say hey Siri, okay, I don't know if I triggered your phone, but I'm sorry. Once you know, if you say hey Siri usually just takes off the whole screen, but now it's just a big dot, a big circle with the Siri animation, and you can talk to Siri. But also, if you're going to do the animation, Apple still allows to use the background, like use the apps in the background. Not that we can't still use the screen because we're talking to Siri. If not, why did you add that feature? Okay, last but not least, the most important feature, like my best feature in this, is like the privacy settings. Because the privacy settings, you know, a lot of apps ask you to give them permission to do this, do that, do blah blah blah. You know what I'm saying? A lot of apps ask for permission to do that. But this privacy settings right now. If an app is making use of your camera, at the top right of your phone, where your battery and your connection setting, your status bar, it will be showing green. So if an app that you didn't authorize, if an app is like using your phone's camera, it will be showing green. So you get what I'm saying. And also, if that same app is using your microphone, it will be showing red at that corner. So like, that's a really good feature, so I can know if some of these apps are spying on me or things like that, because there have been issues about privacy and things like that. These are some of the new features of iOS 14. If you guys enjoyed this video, I just want you to give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. I'll also be doing a video about the top features of Android 11 for the Android fans out there. And also, okay, before I go, I just think that with these new features, Apple is actually trying to steal some of Android's customers, but I'm just saying. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.